Here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are right outside of Conway, New Hampshire, in Interval, New Hampshire. And we are on the Moat Mountain Trail. And we are heading to Diana's Bath is our first destination. And then we're heading up to North Moat Mountain, which is part of the 52 wave, 52 with a view. So that's our plan today. 10.5 mile loop hike. A good 5-6 hours of hiking today on a beautiful bluebird day. Very high wind today. Could get up to 60 mile an hour gusts, but a steady 20 to 30 mile an hour wind today. We'll see how that goes. We got a steep climb coming. Our first 2.5 miles is straight up. I mean, flat. And then we go 2 miles just straight up of gaining elevation. So it's a butt kicker. It's a workout day today. Right, bubs? All right. See you guys at Diana's Bath. Really beautiful. Yeah, we'll keep making our way up. Wow. Oh. Alright, make our way up. Chewy's already making his way up. Whew, not bad. Not bad at all. So he's doing his exploring. Alright, we're gonna make our way up there. Take a few pics. Enjoy the views. Right, bubs? Yeah. Oh, that was a nice little area, Diana's Bath. We're kind of bushwhacking to the trail. It's over there somewhere. We'll find it. But yeah, now we're gonna get on Moat Mountain Trail and start climbing that mountain. All right, here we go. There we are, North Moat, 2 miles, straight up. Next time you see me, I'll be huffing and puffing. Ready, Chew? Whew, just epic views. It's epic view time. Getting my second wind. We still got a little bit to go. Probably another 600-700 feet, 800 feet of elevation. All right, let's get to that peak. I told you I'd be huffing and puffing. Woo, we're making good time. It's very windy. I'm glad I brought extra clothes in my pack. I'm gonna have to layer up. It's gonna be very windy at the peak. I don't know how long we're gonna be able to stay up there. But we'll see how it goes. Right, pups? He's been a mountain goat. Woo, it's blowing. One last climb to the peak. Chewy beat me as always. But, oh, we're gonna have some epic views when we get up there. Oh, I can't wait to layer up. It's cold. The wind is just absolutely brutal. I'm blowing right off the peak. I could lean right into it and not fall down. Back, but we're not staying up there. We can't even enjoy it. That's South Moat, Little Moat. This is North Moat. We're definitely not going that way today. I've already done one. Just getting back down. It's just okay, just leaving the peak. Feels good to be out of the wind. You could still hear it, but we're out of it. We're heading to toward Middle Moat, but we're gonna turn off and do the, like I said, that Red Ridge Trail, I think it's called, or something like that. And it's kind of, we'll be on the ridgeline going down, so that should be fun. Well, I'm gonna follow these Karens and stay out of the way. Yeah, I just had a couple of sketch areas. Yeah, my GoPro, I messed up my GoPro, the front screen. I cracked it. I took a little spill going down one of these steep things and just banged my elbow and cracked the GoPro. I mean, it's not an important piece. It's my front screen that it's junk. These things, I have no luck with the GoPros. Just a lot of steep drop-offs that I gotta go down, and yeah, I fell on one of them. Hurts a little. My elbow is kind of starting to stiffen up, but that's a part of hiking. It's definitely a part of mountain hiking. Hope the pain doesn't set in until I'm a little further down and I don't have to keep going down these things. but it happens. All right, this is my tidbit of the day. With epic views comes bumps and bruises. Yeah, this is gonna be the way down. Epic views. Oh, I was just in woods for a little bit, and now I get to come out into this. Ah. Well, I'll say it before and I will say it again. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. Right, Bubs? Ha! Woo! That's Cathedral Ledge down there, which I don't think we can get to from the trails we're on, but that's fine. I think we'll drive by it when we leave. Yeah, there's our cairns right there. All right, woo, look at this, wide open. Ooh, this might be a long video today. I try to limit them to 10-12 minutes, but this could be a good one. Is Middle Moat and then South Moat. Well, I could see why they said this way was steeper. I'm looking over and seeing how steep the pitch is. Look at this arrow telling me to stay to the side or you're going for a ride. Stay to the side or you're going for a ride. Well, at least we don't have to go down that pitch, but we are just in water, just slippery rock going down this steep pitch. So I thought we were in the clear, but it's the same stuff. I slipped and whacked my elbow because I'm feeling it. It's not too bad. I think we got about another maybe 1,000 feet to lose in elevation, but it's going by pretty quick. See, it's all runoff from the rain. It's a very technical climb down. The places I can go fast, I'm going, but right here, I'm taking my time because it's so easy to slip. Going up on our next sign, that's where we're headed. Red Ridge Trail, West Side Road, 1.9. Smooth sailing from here on out. I think we're all done with the elevation. Nice flat 2-mile walk. Once I cross this, loop's complete. And then we'll stop at Diana's Bath again real quick. Nice, didn't get wet. Tell you what though, my elbow is kind of sore and my chest. I think I just pulled a little muscle in my chest when I fell too, because I felt it. Ugh, what a mess. But we're in one piece. So far so good. We got a little more than a mile to go. Okay, we completed the loop. Made it back to the parking lot. It's right behind me. Took Chewy's stuff off. What a great hike. That was a good 10.5 mile hike with filled with epic views, as you can see. No fall foliage yet. We'll be up here in 2 more weeks. We're gonna come and see when it should be peak fall foliage in the second week of October. So I don't want to get to try the glasses and get to see the colors. So till then, happy trails. See you next time. Be safe out there. Have fun. Right, Bubba? Yeah, go bold.